Our next letter is noon. Noon. Na, noon. There are 3 forms of noon, and we could see them at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. Let's take a look at some examples for noon. Here we have a river. A river in Arabic is nahr, nahr, nahr. And here we see the noon at the beginning of the word, nahr, nahr. Next, we have noon in the middle of the word. And this is in the word anf, 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 anf. And anf means nose. Next, we have the noon at the end of the word in qutn, qutn, qutn. Noon at the end of the word in qutn, which means cotton. So since we're already familiar with many of these letters, you should already be able to see how just by putting together, connecting the sounds of the letters, you're able to create a word. And this can be seen in qutn. We've already learned the qa, the ta, and the noon. So qutn, putting them together, qutn, qutn. All right, let's keep going.